All right, I want to show you guys something real quick on this is a 22 Volkswagen Atlas. It's the 2-liter turbo, not the better V6 version. I notice this all the time on these. You see that water right there that's leaking out of this channel that's in the bottom of this vehicle? If you take a pick, pull that out, look at all that water starts rushing out of there. Sometimes these things are so freaking full, it's unbelievable. And it's not raining, I'm inside the building. Water just starts pouring out of there. So what I do is I modify these and I put a hole in them so the water can drain better than just that little trickle, because it'll just sit up inside that channel and oxidize and corrode that whole channel out. Still just draining like crazy. So what I'll do is I'll open it up. You see this little hole I put over here in the corner? And I might put one on the other side and put them back in so they can drain properly. Plug back in, see how it's able to drain. You can make the hole bigger if you want to, but that's something I'm noticing with these.